Okay, so I'm going to go over the draining operation for the new Z-Wave Q on how to get the water out of the system. From the home screen, go to Settings, and go to Maintenance, and you'll see the first thing you need to do is you need to drain the water from the handpiece to the tank in the cart. And it'll say disconnect handpiece, that's in the bottom left-hand side. You hit the check mark, and it's important that the handpiece is upside down so the water tends to run towards the bottom or the top of the handpiece. And you might be able to hear it flushing. And that takes about 20 seconds. Okay, so now that the handpiece is drained, you can disconnect the handpiece. And connect the drainage tube. Remember, of course, that there's an arrow on the handpiece, on the drainage tube, that's on top and goes towards the arrow that shows in the back of the system. You screw the drainage tube in. You insert the drainage tube into a receptacle. In this case, it's going to be the original jug we used to fill the system. And we go to where it says empty tank. So you press empty tank. It says, if the handpiece is still inserted, please perform a disconnect procedure, which we've already done. Please position the handpiece of the tube downwards in the tray. So that's done. So we say check. And then pump process takes approximately 5 minutes. So now it's going to be using the pump inside to move the water from inside the handpiece or the cart into the jug.